Welcome, my friends. In the last episode, we learned how Gemini empowers you to become a content creator, and in the episodes before that, we saw its power in business correspondence and project automation. But how can we turn all these skills we acquire with Gemini into real dollars while sitting at home? That's exactly what we'll find out today. Today, you'll get a practical, step-by-step roadmap to transform everything you've learned into a steady monthly income in hard currency. You won't need connections or extraordinary effort, just a little intelligence and seizing the opportunity. Imagine a young person like us who started learning Gemini and began offering product description writing services to small businesses. In less than 6 months, he was earning over $500 a month while still studying. This isn't a dream, it's a reality you can achieve, and now I'll tell you how. The first step after mastering Gemini is to showcase your skills in the right place. And the right place is freelance platforms. We have both international and Arabic platforms, each with its own advantages. Upwork, this is a giant platform with clients from all over the world. It's excellent if you offer professional and somewhat complex services that require a high level of English communication skills. Fiverr, here you sell your services as microservices or gigs. This means you set a fixed price for a specific service. For example, I will write 5 content ideas for you using Gemini for $10. It's ideal for beginners to start collecting reviews. Mosticle and Camsat, these are excellent Arabic platforms, and demand for them is increasing. If English isn't your strength, or you're targeting Arab clients, these 2 platforms are a real treasure. How do you choose? Simply put, if you offer a complex service and are willing to invest time in researching large projects, go for Upwork. If you want to start quickly and sell microservices, Fiverr or Camsat are the best options. And if you want to target the Arab market specifically, Mosticle and Camsat are your best choices. Now that you've chosen the platform, you need to build a profile that screams, "I'm here, and I'm an expert." Focus on highlighting your use of Gemini as a very strong, competitive advantage. Title: use strong keywords such as AI content creator, Gemini-powered copywriter, virtual assistant with AI expertise. Description: clearly explain how Gemini helps you deliver your services more efficiently, quickly, and with higher quality. For example, I offer content writing and proofreading services with exceptional speed and accuracy using advanced Gemini technologies, saving you time and money. Services: design your services intelligently. Instead of saying, "Write articles," say, "Write 5 exclusive, SEO-optimized articles intelligently generated by Gemini for your blog." Focus on the value you offer. Include examples of your work with Gemini, this greatly reassures the client. Many people wonder, how do I price my services? The secret isn't in being cheaper than others, it's in pricing based on the value you offer. When you use Gemini, you're not just offering an ordinary service, you're offering exceptional speed, meaning the client receives their work in record time. High quality, Gemini helps you produce error-free, organized, and compelling content. Saving the client time and effort, they don't need to search for multiple freelancers, you're offering a complete package. Therefore, you can price your services more effectively. Start with reasonable prices, and once you build a positive reputation and reviews, gradually increase your rates. Always remember, Gemini allows you to produce the work of 5 people simultaneously, adding value that's well worth the price. The client agreed, "I completed the work using Gemini and provided excellent service. Now it's time to collect your dollars." Don't worry, there are many safe and available methods in most Arab countries. Payoneer, this is one of the most popular platforms for receiving international payments. You can link it to your local bank account and withdraw your money easily. PayPal, a very popular option too, but unfortunately in some countries like Egypt, receiving money has some challenges, but in Jordan and Morocco it is easier. International bank transfers, wire transfers, some platforms offer them, and they go directly to your bank account, but they may take longer and have higher fees. For Egypt, Jordan, and Morocco, Payoneer is an excellent and reliable option for receiving dollars and converting them to your local currency. The important thing is to choose the method that suits you and your country after a little research. See, everyone? It's not impossible. It just requires a clear plan and leveraging tools like Gemini. The future waits for no one, and the opportunities AI offers are rare and won't come around again. Start now, even with a simple service. That first $100 could be your key to global success. Let's go. Share your thoughts in the comments. Which platform are you planning to start your journey as an AI expert on? Or if you've faced any challenges, leave them in the comments so we can help each other out. And don't forget, in the next episode, we'll go much further. We'll explore unconventional and highly profitable niches and opportunities that few people know about, all powered by Gemini. Get ready to discover entirely new opportunities. See you soon.